Are you after the perfect gaming or office chair? The likelihood is yes you are, hence why you clicked on this video. With the many on the market and the variety of prices up for grabs, it becomes extremely hard to find out which ones are worth the money and which ones are complete garbage. So today I thought I'd bring you a video of the chair of my choice and why it got my money. This is the CTF Pro BUMBLE-BEE. Completely awesome name, I know. You'll be able to find the link in the description for this exact product, so make sure you pause the video and check it out. Do come back though, don't leave me. Let's go back a week to when I actually unboxed this guy. I will have to say it's an extremely easy process to put this thing together, and I personally didn't come across any issues. There's a couple of parts you need to put together. Apart from that, there wasn't really any red flags. One of my favourite aspects of the chair is the size of the backrest. It's the perfect height for someone who, like me, is about 6 foot. It creates complete comfort and back support for those long periods of gaming or sat in front of a workstation. This is thanks to these thickly padded areas that really do seem to hit the right spots in regards to supporting the back. Now, the fact the chair has been ergonomically tailored and upholstered with top quality PU faux leather, it's not the authentic stuff, but it does allow it to be on the market for a reasonably cheap price. A lot of chairs like these consist of that faux leather material, and that isn't for everyone. Some will prefer that look of the genuine leather, but please don't dismiss this chair. For me, the design and craftsmanship certainly outweighs its asking price. Now, obviously that colour isn't for everyone. For me, it was more to match with my setup design, as yellow wouldn't normally be something which I would refer to be as desirable. But nevertheless, I did go for it, and I do think it creates somewhat of a focal point for my room. Some may be happy to know there is actually an alternative to this one on Dell's home Amazon page, and it's a blue and yellow design. May tickle the fancy for some, but it wasn't for me. However, keep in mind both chairs consist of the same construction design and features, so this video is still relevant to both. Adjustability is always a must, and I'm sure many others feel the same. This specific chair has the adjustable armrests which allow for comfort in that regard, along with a front and back sliding function. That certainly adds to the overall adjustable design. And then you have a generic up and down with a gain of less than 7 centimeters. Useless information to some, I know, but for some reason people take note of that. I don't know why. Now, I won't lie to you, I'm not a big fan of these legs. They kind of look a teeny tiny bit cheap. But despite its, in my opinion, cheap look, it's completely solid and of a strong construction, so I guess my dislike can be overlooked. Overall for me, I bought this chair for the pure fact I like the design. The colour, surprisingly, I didn't at the start, but it has grown on me even more than I thought it would, and that might be thanks to the fact that the construction quality and design is extremely attractive, and I won't lie, it looks a lot more expensive than the asking price. Ensure you take a look at the chair in the link in the description. I'll also put the blue and yellow one in there too. That one almost got my money, so it's worth having a look to see if that one's more for you. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. There's plenty of tech channels out there, but I tell you what, there's a lot of good technology and gadgets at affordable prices on this one, so keep updated and we might just satisfy that gadget crunch. Till next time.